Hello, my friend. After reset, we are going to pair the sensors. We're going to pair the remote control first through remote control. Now we use the password to get in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, enter. Remote control. This is for remote control. Okay. Now, okay, pair number 1. Now, right here, we just press enter. Press this one and trigger the sensor. Enter, trigger, save, done. Okay. Now this one is paired. Now we go to the second one. Press 6. You can see number 2. Now press this thing and then trigger. Okay, and then save. Now enter, trigger, save, done. Now we jump to the phone page to try. Okay. Now we use. Now this one already paired. You can try this one. Yes. This one also paired. Okay. This is the way how to save the remote control.